baby.
Hey, baby.
What you doing?
Just doing a Zoom call with my buddy Vince.
Why?
Because we're working on a musical.
A musicale.
A musicale.
Is it going well?
So well. It appears that I lost all of the work that I'd done like 2 years ago.
Oh, great.
Yeah, good. No doubt.
I mean, in terms of, is a Zoom call just as good as real life?
Vince, do you think a Zoom call is just as good as real life?
What is...
Said it might be more productive, honestly.
Oh, nice. All right, cool. Okay, we're gonna say goodbye now.
Okay, bye.
So if you're wondering why you're gaining a ton of weight while you're in quarantine, it's probably because your dinner habits are not the greatest. So for supper, what I'm gonna make is ice cream. I do expect to be 10,000 pounds after this.
We are cooking some Cajun style andouille sausages for our red beans and rice, which is a favorite recipe of mine to make since fairly recently. Since Jenny came back from New Orleans, it's like, make this for me.